bird in this broken leg. We can nurse it, she said. Come inside for a little lie down with me. If you fall asleep, it wouldn't be the worst thing. And when I wake up, her makeup is on my shoulder. Tell me if I lie down, will you stay now and let me hold ya? And if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste like lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I owe it all to you, oh, my little bird, my little bird. Take a walk out in the morning dew. Lay down so next to you. Come inside for a little homemade tea. If you fall asleep, then at least you're next to me. And if I wake her, she'll say it's late, love, go back to sleep. Uncovered by nature, I need her safe now, and I need this oak tree beside me. But if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste like lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I owe it all to you.